What's the meaning of amperage? Amperage. 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 Amperage.
Amperage refers to the strength of an electrical current, measured in amperes, A. It describes the amount of electric charge passing through a point in a circuit over a period of time. Higher amperage generally indicates a greater flow of electricity and can be used to measure the power of an electrical system. Amperage is an essential factor in determining the safety and efficiency of electrical equipment, as high amperage can cause overheating and damage to both the equipment and surrounding materials. Proper use and management of amperage is crucial in ensuring the reliable and safe operation of electrical systems.